Welcome folks to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making Spanish bean soup. We cooked the ham the week before Easter, and we've been making recipes from that ham, and this is going to be one of them. So let's get to cooking. I've got my ham bone, and I'm going to put it in probably 3 cups of water. I've got probably 2 cups of ham that I've cut up. And after, let me put the rest, and I've got some chicken stock I'm gonna put in there. I've got 1 large bell pepper chopped up. I've got 1 large onion chopped. This is gonna season. I've got 4 cloves of garlic that I've chopped, you know, taking the peel off, chop. I've got 3 bay leaves that I'm gonna put in there. Now you'll have to take these out when you're finished because you don't eat bay leaves. And I've got the seasonings. I've got garlic, onion powder, pepper, salt, not too much salt. I'm gonna have to wait on that when it's finished and take a taste because of the ham and the chorizo that we put in it. You don't want to put too much salt in it to start with. So we're going to put that in there. And you can always taste it later. I've got Spanish chorizos here. I bought 2 packs of them, and you just slice them up like this. They're cured, and so that's the kind that you want to get. We're going to put that in there. We'll put some more water, enough to cover the ham bone. I'm gonna let this cook for an hour. Then I'm gonna take the ham bone out of the soup. I'm gonna take the meat off of it and throw the ham bone away. That's how you get your stock and how you get the taste and everything. But you throw that away. You have to let it cool for about 10 minutes so you can get all that ham off. And then I have 4 cups of garbanzo beans, but you'll know them by chickpeas. I have 4 cans that I've rinsed them and drained them. They'll be going in there later. And then I cut up 4 medium-sized potatoes. I washed them, peeled them, and cubed them like this. And that will go in last. So we're going to let this cook for about an hour, and then we're going to do the rest of it, and we'll be back to show you the other steps. I'm back, and I'm going to tell you what I've done. We took the ham bone out, and I set it here to let it cool. I put the chickpeas, the garbanzo beans in the soup, and let them start cooking for about 10 minutes. It don't take long because you don't want them mushy. I put the potatoes and let them cook probably 10 minutes. until they were fork tender. I added the ham that I got off the bone and put that in the soup. I didn't need to add any water, but if you do, just get you a measuring cup or something, add some water if you think you need some more water. When the soup's done, we usually eat it with Cuban bread. It's real crusty. You just cut it in little chunks, put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and it'll get real crusty and hard, and you use it to dip your soup in. And then we serve it with coleslaw. But if you can't find Cuban bread, just some kind of crusty bread. And but we get this. They bake it at Publix, so you can find it there. A little background on the soup: it came from Kenneth's father's restaurant. The cook was a Cuban, and he gave us the recipe. It was called the chicken basket. So I got this recipe plus some others, but another one I got from him was chicken and yellow rice. Got that one. And you can go to my YouTube channel where all my recipes are, and you can see how that's made. So these are authentic Spanish recipes. We're gonna taste this a little bit, or look at it, see what it's, and then it's hot. So this is what it looks like. You can see the ham, the potatoes, the chorizo, the chickpeas, and it tastes great. I can't explain how it tastes. It's just got a different taste all its own. I've never seen this kind of soup before until I moved down there, but it's made a believer out of me. And well, I like to try different soups and cultures and stuff like that. So I hope you try this. Thank you for coming by and watching my videos. And as always, God bless. Check out my Etsy store for my merchandise. If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel.